Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can create a movie clip from pictures in gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So first, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen or in the app screen, open up the picture gallery, then tap on pictures. From here, tap on the menu button, then tap on create. Next, tap on movie. In here, select the pictures that you want to include in your movie clip. So you can select both photos and videos. Next, we go down and then tap on movie. Now this will add our selected pictures and videos into the timeline. So on the timeline here, you can scroll back and forth to view your pictures and videos. Now at the bottom here, there is a small button. You can tap on it to view full screen. And over here, we can tap on it to choose a soundtrack. So you can also tap on the music icon down here to select your soundtrack or your audio. So tap on that. In here, you can select soundtracks or My Music. My Music are songs from your library, and soundtracks are preset songs provided from Samsung. So in here, I can choose, say, Ragtime Piano or Tempo Time. So you can select songs from soundtracks right here. You can also tap on the download button to download additional songs. You can also choose to download all, so they are available for you to use. Then tap on done. So we have now added a clowning around soundtrack in here. You can see at the bottom. You can change the soundtrack as well by tapping on it. So you can see here I can drag it to the beginning of the video. So touch and hold on the soundtrack to move it back and forth in your timeline. I'm trying to zoom this one in, so you can zoom in or zoom out your timeline to make it easier to view. So in here we can zoom in or zoom out. And in this transition or the cross transition, if you tap on it, you can see you can choose none, dissolve, and then on each of the transition cross, you can choose a different style. We've got none, dissolve, fade, slide, and swipe. So here, if I tap on the play button, you can see the preview. So that's the fade, and this is the slide. And that is the transition that you can choose between different clips. At the bottoms here, the text editing, you can insert text into your movie clip. So my movie, and you can drag it. So we can drag. So let's go back, and in here you should be able to drag this text. So here it is. You can drag on one of the angle to resize. You can rotate the text. You can move it and place it where you want in that frame, in the video frame. And if you don't like it, you can tap on the delete button to delete your text. You can also drag the text handle to allow the text to extend over multiple clips or within that small time frame period. So that is the basic of adding text and stickers. So you can add stickers to your video as well, and you can also add in this bubble text. And here you can see now I have add another layer of text, and you can also have them overlaps one another. So if I go here, you can see I got my movie at the top, and then hi, and then after that it will be removed from the timeline. So every time you add in a text, it will add in an additional layer, and from there you can edit your sound. You can increase your sound depending on your video clip. The sound file may be not long enough for the whole movie, so you might need to add in additional sound. And that's it. So once you're happy, we can, there's also one more thing, is the sound button. So if you tap on the sound clip, you can tap on the audio icon. In here you can choose the fade in and fade out of your audio and the volume. So the video clip from your original video clip has sound. So in here you can also choose the volume sound for that music or the audio clip. So tapping on the audio clip or tap on the back key will close that editing window. And here, tap on that. Text will allow you to change the text. So here I'm going to select the top one, will allow me to change the text. During the text editing, you can change the text color, the background color. So here's the text. You can change the text style as well. And here, if I tap on the back key and change that, so that's the color, that's the style, and here is the italic as well. You can change the text italic as well. So we can align to the left, to the center, and to the right. Not the italic, but the centering of the text. And that's it. So once you're happy with everything, we can now create the movie. To create the movie, you can tap on the done button. Now if you want to change the size of your movie clip or the ratio, tap on the more button here, then tap on project settings. In here you can see it shows 9:16. Now we can change it so that it have a horizontal frame, so 16:9. Then tap on the back, and this is the 16:9, so you have the width, a longer width and a shorter height. And yeah, so tap on done, then tap on save movie, and now the phone will produce your movie clip based on your editing. And that's it. So that is how you can create a movie clip from your selected pictures and videos in the picture gallery. So if I go back here to my pictures gallery, you can see we have now created that movie clip. And here I can swipe back and forth. So that my movie text right there, and that's the text we just added in the video. Thank you for watching this. So at the beginning of the video, there should also be audio, as you can hear. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.